Hi friends, I hope you are doing great. Today it was a monthly expiry. So usually I trade in Nifty, but some reason today I tried with a bank Nifty. So before going into today's market analysis, let us try to understand what has happened yesterday. Yesterday there was a huge fall in the Indian market, and at the same time the global markets were also negative. The Nifty and all the indices were just like a one side fall all throughout the yesterday. So when we look at the global cues, Fed minutes gives a signal that there might be a again rate hike of almost 50 basis points in future. RBI governor also stated that the inflation is uncertain, the geopolitical tensions are rising. So putting all this together, the markets are so volatile, and that too today is a monthly expiry. So let's try to understand how the market was today. So when we look into Nifty, you can see here continuously it's been last 6 days the market is in downtrend, and this is a very crucial support zone, 17,500. So if we look at, this is a budget day low, and we cannot imagine the fall if Nifty breaks this low. So we hope that the market will try to take the support at this region. Let's see. So, but today I have traded a bank Nifty. So let's try to analyze how the bank Nifty was today. So literally today is a very frustrating day for me because the bank Nifty movements were literally so harsh throughout the day. SLs were hitting both the sides. So whatever the trade I have taken, definitely it have got at least 2 times SL, which was very difficult day to manage. So you can see here, Bank Nifty is moved only 0.01 percentage, which is almost like the same level as yesterday's close. There was not much close to close basis, but when we look into the intraday movement, so you'll understand how harsh the Bank Nifty was today. So Nifty was not making that much big moves, but Bank Nifty was literally very horrible today. So let me apply 5-minute time frame. Now if you can see here, now we are seeing the chart on a 5-minute. So this is a 9:15 candle where the market opened. So market is opened almost at 40,000 level, and the first candle, and there is a continuous fall for the first almost till 9:50. So I think I almost taken my position at 9:30 somewhere around. So I didn't expected the market to fall below this level, which is 39,750. But looking at this very big candle, okay, so I thought the market will continue to fall today. So I have shorted nearby call positions, but as you can see here at exactly 9:45, there is a huge reversal at this level. So already there are some put options where I have shorted. So those got hit SL here in this big candle, but again in no time it has reversal. Now you can see in the next 20 minutes what has happened. From opening, within just half an hour there is a 1% fall in the market, especially in the Bank Nifty, and again from this level within 20 minutes there is a reversal of almost like 450 points, which is almost like 1.2 percentage. So in this gamma move, again there are a couple of calls that got hit SL. You can see here the consolidation phase. So I didn't expected that the market can break high of the day, but looking at this candle, I thought there is a huge short covering, but unfortunately again I shorted the puts which are nearby, so which got again SL. Looking at these two candles, so there is a reversal towards a downside, so where some of the SLs got hit. So literally till 11 o'clock, I think till 10:55 around, I mean almost like around 11 o'clock, whatever the orders that I have placed, almost every order got hit stop loss. So at 11 o'clock, you can't even imagine, I was in a loss of almost 55,000. I was almost like totally frustrated because everything in the market is not working as per our plan. because there are some false breakouts and there are some stop losses getting hit. So looking at these movements, I was in a plan of closing the system today because market is not in your favor. You shouldn't do any aggressive trades because it end up costing you more. So I thought of closing, but again I just waited for some more time. I think at almost 11:30. So looking at this phase, consolidation phase, I thought again I can take some position. So I took some positions. If you can see from this level, there is a fall, again a slight consolidation, again a gamma move. So overall, so today I was totally targeted to minimize my loss. I was not at all in a place where I can look for profits, but today it is all about controlling the loss. So at morning 11 o'clock itself, I went to into loss of almost 55,000 plus. End of the day, I could able to bring down the loss to almost around 10,000, which I feel is very satisfied. But again, when you look into the profit and loss, of course, it's a loss day. But I tried my best to defend the market, especially the bank Nifty. Nifty was so cool. I think I should have traded in Nifty so that I might got some profits, but that is fine. It is a market. No one can expect what can happen at. So overall, though the market is traded in this range, so in between 39,800 to 40,100, but the movements that has created inside within this range was so harsh and horrible. We were unable to hold the positions just because each candle is almost like within a 5-minute time frame we were able to see almost 150-200 points movement. So this is so harsh move, I would say, especially when you are a non-directional player. It is very difficult to adjust your positions when every candle is having this much of movement. So let me take you to my order book. So here you can see these are the orders that I have placed today, almost multiple orders. The same order I have to execute 2-3 times just because the market is moving within the range but with the big movements. Almost all the strikes got hit SLs, but what to do, you have to follow the system, you have to follow the process. You cannot keep your positions open even the premiums are getting spiked, right? You cannot hold it. Also there is a huge slippage can be noticed today just because of these horrible moves. Sometimes you need to face these kind of markets. So as you can see here, my profit and loss for today is minus almost like 10,000, loss of 10,000. Here you can see the one of the strike like 40,200 CE. I mean, we made a loss of like 58,000, but at the end of the day, it became just worthless, But within the intraday, it has created a lot of fear among traders. It almost got hit 2-3 times SL, and finally I couldn't able to stand on this strike, so obviously ended up making a huge loss. Just one strike made almost 60,000 loss. So yeah, overall it is 10,000 loss, continuous losses we've been running. I mean, though you lose some bit of confidence, but that's fine. Take some break, come back strong. So that is a simple thing one should follow. So always let us try to take positively and learn something out of these volatile markets. The sentiment itself is not so great. The global cues are not good. The inflation problem. So there are many factors, the geopolitical tensions, all these putting the markets into stress and more led to a more volatile state. And when you look at the close to close basis, they are closing flat, but again within the day the movements are so horrible. We just need to face it, but try to protect your capital. Don't trade aggressively. So this volatile market teaches you a lot. So that's all about today's expiry. I hope you had a good expiry. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.